Hey everybody, it's Gary the Google guy here, and I have a new update for you regarding Google Notebook LM, which is an awesome application. If you've never used it before, I would encourage you to try it. It's a part of your Workspace application set. You can find it by going to your app launcher, which is that 9-dot grid in the upper right corner of your screen, and look for the Notebook LM icon. Now, just a quick sidebar to that. This may be disabled in your organization, but if it's not, then you have access to it. This is a great AI tool that allows you to do a lot of different things, but primarily what you're doing here is you're creating what we call a walled garden for accessing information and being able to work with it in your way. So it's not going out into the internet. You're being able to work with the material, query the material, and question it and work with all different kinds of tools that you have within Notebook LM. However, today what I want to do is concentrate on the brand new update that's been added. I'm really excited about this one because it helps you learn in another way, and that is going to be to the right side of my screen, data tables. So it's going to look at all of the sources that I have lined up here, and this is around change management stuff on the left side of my screen. I've added all of these sources around Google Workspace change management methodology. So I've created the data table just to save a little bit of time, but it's going to generate a table for us to look at our data in another way, looking at all of the sources. So I'm going to go ahead and click on what I've just created, and let's expand this to have a looky-loo. And you'll see what it's done here is it's taken all of this information and it's organized it in another way for me to look at it. To the left, it tells me, for example, the different phases and the work streams of this information. And then all the way on the far right side of the screen, it actually calls out the source that it's grabbing that information from. And as I scroll down, it shows me the different pieces of information that I have in a different way. And at the very bottom, it shows me all of my different sources that I've added and that it's querying against. So I have a new way of looking at my information in this data table. I would encourage you to, depending on the information that you're looking at, to give it a try and check it out. Now you also have the information here that you can export to Google Sheets in the upper right hand corner if you want to look at it in a different way, in a different place other than Notebook LM. Especially helpful if you want to share that out with a coworker or two. So that is the new update that you have. Once again, Notebook LM, far right side of the screen in your studio options. Data tables is the newest addition. Give it a try. It's really slick and it will help you work with your data in another way. Until we meet again, another day, another time, another tip, trick, hack, or update. This is Gary the Google Guy, or Triple G, signing off, signing out.